Um, I already did the problem, but you can show it to me.
It's up to you. Do you want me to try how to graph it?
Maybe no.
Okay. All right. So the third problem here, third question here, it says how much mileage is being used at 72 miles per hour?
Mm-hmm.
So is that X or is that Y in this problem?
Is that X or Y in the problem right
Yeah.
there? That's
X is that,
the X
how do you know?
because we're in the X's.
Nope. What are the units of the 72?
The units of the 72. For the 72, that's miles per hour.
Okay. Now if we go back and look at the original problem, what does it say that X is in?
X is in the miles per hour.
Okay. So we know that that's X. So you got your calculator there, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I want you to put X equals 72 into your equation.
Yep.
Do you know how to do that? Or do you have
Yeah.
questions on how to do that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Go ahead and give me your answer.
Oh, okay. That's a 12.
What is what a 12?
Now I divide by 72
Why would you divide by 72? By 12?
because that's for the X right there because we're in the final of the X.
You're putting 72 into the value of X in each of these in this equation.
Okay. Well, I'm supposed to, I'm gonna type them in.
Okay.
Right. Plus. Okay. I got myself the answer.
Okay, what is your answer rounded to 2 decimal places?
My decimal rounded to number places. What I did is that in my graphical calculator, what I got is a big number. That's just a big number I got.
What is the number you got?
I got myself 191,251.239. That's not correct.
Definitely not correct. So you want some help in how to enter this in your calculator?
Yeah, this calculator right here is just very hard.
Okay. So here's how you enter in your calculator. You put negative 0.0082 parentheses 72 squared plus 0.746 parentheses 72 plus 13.479.
Okay. So I have to do that. Uh, okay. All right, let me try this again. Let me take my time, Matthew. 24.6, 822.
All right, that's better. So round it to 2 decimal places.
Okay.
Two
That's
decimal
a
places.
24.68.
Very good. Miles per gallon. All right.
Let me
Any
write it
questions?
in.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, number four. Number four is asking about the y-intercept. What do you remember about the y-intercept? What is
What
what
is the
is what is
y-intercept?
what is the x value at the y-intercept?
The x value of the y-intercept is going to be is 50.
Nope. Nope. The y-intercept, which of these is the y-axis?
The straight line all the way going straight up.
Okay. So what is the value of x along there? 0. That's what you have to remember about
Zero.
the y-intercept, is that
Always
it's when
remember
x
the.
is 0.
Okay.
So you're gonna determine f of 0, please.
Okay.
Go ahead and calculate that for us.
Yeah. Okay. So calculate that to all right, inside one of those the same values right there. Okay. Let me have my time, Matthew.
Okay.
Six. 13.479.
Yep, 13.479. Okay.
Yep.
All right. So now the next thing here is we have to figure out for number 5 is the speed for which the miles per gallon is greatest, the maximum. So we're looking for the vertex of this thing. Do you remember anything about how to find the x value of the vertex using formulas?
Using formulas.
Yeah.
Using formulas.
So minus
The X
b,
value formulas.
minus
Yeah,
b.
maybe. Well, I don't think so.
You've never seen this before?
Well, I think, but I think a -6 is divided by 2a. Is that like,
It's a
wait, I
b.
think I
It's a b.
we've seen that before.
So a is minus 0.0082. B is
Hmm.
0.746. So
Okay.
we're gonna use this formula here. Minus 0.746 over 2 times minus 0.0082. Could you calculate that for us, please?
Okay. Calculate those things. Okay. All right. Can you help me out?
You're not sure how to enter this in your calculator?
Well, I know how to use my calculator, but for that, I know what to do with my calculator for these ones, but for that,
And just
okay.
trying to give me this number. Let me know if you need help entering into the calculator.
-6. Okay. Okay, I need help.
So the way to enter your calculator, negative 0.746 divided by parentheses 2, parentheses minus 0.0082, close parentheses, close parentheses.
Okay. All right, so I'll do that. Okay, I'm getting to that. Okay, negative 45.48780488.
Okay, so let's just round to 2 decimal places.
Yep, 2 decimal places. Come here. Yes, that's 45. That's two. Okay,
2 decimal places, Sourish.
okay, yeah. 45.487804.
2 decimal places, please. That's 2 places to the right of the decimal.
45.52.
That's 1 decimal place. How about 2?
It's gonna be a 0.
No. It's 4, 8, 7. Does the 7 cause the 8 to round up or down?
Up or down. It's gonna be causing the 8 to round up.
Okay, so what is that to 2 decimal places?
Um, that's gonna be a
You seem very distracted tonight. Is there something else you'd like to be doing besides our
no,
lesson?
it's just making me think about this math. Like I'm trying to think.
Well, I've given you the answer. You actually already answered. You said the 8 rounds up. So,
Yeah, 8
um,
rounds up to a 0.
no, it does not.
A 10.
What is the next number after 8?
9.
Okay. So, um,
Yeah.
so what is the answer to 2 decimal places?
45.59.
No, the 4 doesn't change.
49.
What's the full number? 45 point.
49.
Okay. Why did that take so long?
Hey, that was a really weird
No,
problem
no, it's
because
not. No, it's not. That's ridiculous. So now you're going to evaluate. Well, let's
okay.
look at the question. So this is the answer to that question. Okay.
hmm Okay.
All right. Um,
Okay.
let's do number 7.
All right. Let me write that down.
Okay.
Okay, there we go.
You got it down?
Yeah,
All right. The next questions ask about the x-intercepts, the zeros for this. Do
okay.
you want me to show you how to find these on the graph?
Let me grab. Well, I know where the x-intercepts are. It's from 0.
It's where this crosses the x-axis. Do you want me to show you how to find these on the graph
Yeah.
on the calculator?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have your calculator out?
Yep.
Okay. I'm going to get mine out and I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to graph this equation. So um, give me just a moment to get that up.
All right.
All right. So I'm going to share my screen. Let me share this. All right. So I want you to hit the y equals button. You have something like this on your calculator.
Yeah, I have it
All right. Do you have anything written in here?
right here. Um, well, I'm in here. Well, I wrote down the previous problems for the previous things.
If you have something in Y1, hit the clear button to edit it and delete it.
Yep, I did that.
All right, so we're going to type the equation minus, the minus is down here next to the enter, 0.0082 x squared, that's the squared, plus 0.746 x is right here next to the alpha button,
Okay.
plus 13.479. Let me know when you have this entered, please.
Okay. All right. I'll have it entered.
You do or do not?
I'm getting it down. X2. Okay. What? Okay. This is what? Should I put y2 equals 6x plus 13? Point
You have
four.
this entered.
Yes, I got it down.
You have it entered exactly the way I have it here. Is that right?
Yeah.
All right, so I want you to click on the zoom button. Do you
Uh-huh.
see this on your screen now? The zoom box, the zoom in, zoom out, all that.
Yeah.
All right,
Zoom,
I want you to hit the up arrow and go to zoom fit.
zooms, zoom fit,
Yep, and
zoom
hit
fit,
enter. Hit enter
fit.
in the lower right.
Okay.
Let me know when you do that.
I did that.
Okay. Does your graph look something like my graph?
No,
All right.
my
What
graph is different.
what does your graph look like?
My graph looks like that the blue line is going up and then going down, and then the red line is going all the way up across the y-intercept.
Okay,
Y-axis.
if you go back to y equals, how many things do you have graphed?
I have two things grabbed.
We'll get rid of the second one. That's part of the problem. I didn't realize you had a second one in there.
Oh, okay. All right.
Let me know when you clear that out.
Okay.
You just go down to Y2 and hit the clear button.
All right. I'm just trying to be able to put the 6x plus 13.479 under y1.
Okay, go ahead and get the equation entered.
Yeah, I'm trying, but it's not working. Like, oh my God. What is this? Um, what? It's not making me put the equation down under y1.
All right. Another option is to reset the memory on your calculator. Would you like us to do that?
Yeah.
All right. So hit the second button. Second button, you'll see the little up arrow, and then there's the word mem above the plus.
Okay.
Do you see this screen?
Okay. Plus. Okay.
Do you see this screen?
Yeah.
Go down to reset, hit enter.
Okay.
Do you see all RAM?
I don't know.
Sourish, I can only ask you if you're following along or not. I can't do this for you.
Yeah, maybe it's all RAM.
It's not a maybe. Do you see this or not?
Yeah, I see it.
Okay, hit enter for all RAM.
Uh-huh.
Do you see reset RAM? No reset.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Click on the no. I'm sorry, click on the to reset and hit enter.
Okay.
Does your calculator say RAM cleared?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, go to y equals. We're going to enter this one more time. Negative 0.0082 x
82
squared.
x squared plus 0.74. Okay. 6x. Okay. 6x plus 13.479. Okay. That looks good.
So
Enter.
this time we're just going to hit the graph button in the top right. Okay.
Okay.
And do you have something in the corner of your screen like that?
Yes, I have
All
that.
right. So now we're going to go back to the window button,
Okay.
and we're going to change this to negative 20
Negative 20.
to positive 40.
Okay.
We're going to change the scale to 5. And we're going to change
Okay.
the Y max to 50, Y scale of 10. So make sure your numbers match up with what I've got there.
Okay. All right. Got it.
All right, hit the graph button again. Does your graph look something like that?
Yes,
All right, we
it
need to go a
does.
little bit more out to the right, so I'm going to go back to the window.
Okay.
And we're gonna go out to let's say 120, and
100. Okay.
we're gonna make the x scale 10.
Scale 10. Okay.
Now we're gonna hit the graph button again. There we go. You have something that looks like that.
And it needs to fully be traced. And yes.
All right. So I want you to hit the second button and then calc, which is above trace. Hit second. You'll have the little arrow there, and then the calc button, which is above trace. Can you do that?
Yeah.
All right. We're going to calculate the 0.
Okay.
So you want to go to number 2 and hit enter.
Okay. All right.
What is what does it show on your screen in the lower left corner?
Left bound.
Left
X
bound.
equals 50.
All right. So we're going to go all the way to the left here. Actually, we don't have enough room. So we need to go back to our window. We're going to have to make one more adjustment to our window.
Okay.
We're going to change our y min to -50.
Okay.
Everything else the same, go back to graph.
All right.
And actually, we need to make one more adjustment here. These windows are not easy to find. Let's make the x min -80. Let's go by a scale of 20 this time. Let me know when you've got these numbers. It's a little bit of a guess and check. Do you have these numbers in?
Okay. I'm getting it down and okay. There we go. And we grab it.
Yeah. The graph should look something like that.
Okay.
Now go to second calc 0, which is number 2.
Okay.
Now left bound this time, you want to go to the left until you're below the x-axis.
Okay.
You have something a little bit below the x-axis there on the left.
I'm getting into it. Like I'm just trying to be able to make that into the same okay, -7. Left bound. I'm okay. It doesn't say 22.55 on mine.
It's okay, just it's got to be below the x-axis.
Okay, yeah. I
All
did
right,
that before. Because
hit enter. Now does it say right bound?
right bound. Okay.
Does yours say right bound?
No, it does not.
Okay, well, what does your screen show?
My screen shows that X is equals -22.42, 42.4, and the Y equals negative
Did you do a second calc 0?
second, second
Calc
plus
that
the second. Okay.
you have to do that, and you should see left bound. Do you see left bound?
Left bound. Yeah, I see it now. Yep.
Okay, so go left of where it crosses, and go a little bit below and hit enter.
Hmm. Okay, I did that.
Hit enter. You see right bound.
Right bound. I see only a guess.
You hit enter more than once, so you got to go restart the process.
Okay.
So restart the process till you get right bound.
Okay. Okay, so rebound. And we put enter. Okay, yep, I got it. I found it.
Let's see, right bound, you're going to go somewhere above it.
Yep.
Anywhere there is good. Let me know when you have your cursor a little bit above the x-axis there.
Yep, I did.
Hit enter. It'll say guess. You hit enter again. That's the time you do hit it twice. Do
Okay.
you have do you have the same number as the 0?
As a 0.
What number do you see on your screen?
15.44,
There you
594.
go. Negative 15.44. All
Okay.
right.
That's
All
the
right.
answer.
That's one of the answers. We got to find the
For
other
number
one.
6.
We're on 7.
Oh, 7.